Get a feel for the 2017 Buick Cascada. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Cascada pampers you with creature comforts and shields you with the latest safety features while giving you the agile, spirited drive your heart desires. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, navigation system, keyless entry, 4-cylinder engine, fog lamps, heated mirrors, satellite radio, power passenger seat, a luxury convertible that has top safety ratings? Yup, the Cascada.